Good day, everyone. My name is Lawrence A. Cornelio, a BSc student from Nicol University, Palangi, and today I will be discussing about my laboratory activity, which is digital signal time transformation. So, here is my code, and now let's run it. So, it's the output. So, first, we import the numpy for numerical operation and matplotlib for plotting. So, these two. Then, we create a discrete time index and from 0 to 4 using entry range 0, 5 is here. Then we define our signal x as an array with values 1 to 5. So at time index 0, the signal value is 1. At index 1, value is 2, and so on. So this is the time array. Now, we then plot the original signal using PLT.system. So this part. So which creates a stem plot perfect for discrete signal. The markers show the signal values at each time point. Now, second is for time shifting. Now, for time shifting, to shift the signal to the right by 2 units, which means a delay, we add 2 to the time index. So this here, the shift to the right, so n plus 2. Then, then for left shift, which is an advance, we subtract 2 from the time index and minus 2. So this gives us x times n plus 2. Now, we both plot signals on the same figure. Red stems, red stems show the okay. 11 here. So the plot both shifted signals on the same figure. Red stem shows the right shifted signals, green shows the left shifted signals. Let's add a legend, title and grid, the display, the demonstration. So here's the legend and grid. This demonstrates how shifting changes when a signal occurs in time but preserves its shape. Now for time reversal. So here's the time reversal. So we create an rev here is equal to negative n. When we plot the same signal values against this reverse index, we get x times negative n. So notice as the signal flip horizontally, the value that what was at index 0 remains at index 0, but the value was at index 1 moves to negative 1, index 2 moves to negative 2, and so on. So the blue steps show the original signal, red steps show the reverse signal. Time reversal is like looking at the signal in a mirror, it runs backward in time. Um, Next is for time scaling. So, so here's the time scaling. So for time scaling, for expansion making the signal longer, we multiply the time index by 2. So n expand is equal to 2 times n. So this create x times n over 2. Then the signal value becomes read out. For example, the value at original index 1 appears at index 2. For compression, making the signal shorter, we use integers using n over 2. So this gives us x is times 2n. Values get packed to closer together. So this is the compressed. So values get packed to closer together. The value from original index 2 moves to index 1. So now, this is time scaling and yeah. That's all. Thank you.